I've been genuinely curious to see if a Dyson can out-clean a budget vacuum, because everyone says that budget vacuums can't clean and you should get a high-quality vacuum. Well, today we're going to put that theory to the test. I have a large amount of dirt and debris and hair on the carpet. Both these machines work. The Hoover does have a bit of a stretched belt, so if the Hoover leaves some stuff behind or stalls on the carpet, I won't be surprised. This Dyson has been fully refurbished, but I can't sell it yet. So we're gonna go see, and I may test out a couple different other vacuums to see what they can do. But we're gonna start out with the Hoover, and then we'll move on to the Dyson. Pass. Let's go and check it out. You can see the clean line here and where it vacuumed it up. I'm not seeing too much stuff flying up. Alright, we'll go ahead and check out Dyson next. These things still sell for like $400 new, and they still rip the freaking COD hoses or whatever they're called. Terrible quality. Alright, let's see. Okay, so the Dyson left a nice hefty trail of where the belt is, and I'm seeing dirt still into the carpet. I'm not impressed. These things seriously cost $400 new, and then people swear by them. I mean, I can give it another run, but I don't think it's gonna do much justice. Keep in mind, the Hoover did that in one pass. It was completely clean. Okay, that was plenty of extra passes, so in theory, it should have cleaned it up. Now this is a lot more dirt than you actually find on a carpet, but I'm just trying to get a basic of idea. I'm seeing dirt flying up, so it's not deep cleaning. The Hoover, don't see anything. So, should you spend $400 on a Dyson? That's up to you. But for me, that's a hell no. Let's go ahead and use the Hoover to clean it up. Okay, let's see what they picked up. Gonna dump the Hoover. It's kind of hard to do this with one hand. And then let's that's good enough. No, it's not. Okay. Hold on. This is what the Hoover got. Not bad at all. Lots of fine dust. Dyson's bin lash is broken, as they always typically do. Let's go and see what it got. If I can get it to open. Ah, that cracked open. Okay. So that's what the Dyson got. There's fine dust, but there is not nearly as much as the Hoover. So, it's up to you, but for me, a budget vacuum with an actual belt and straight suction, they're pretty much the same thing. It's just that's way more expensive and way more complicated, and apparently less cleaning. Yeah. The winner is your guys' decision, but I'd say the Hoover win. More to come soon.